Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll show you three cute fall Thanksgiving DIY in a farmhouse style. Okay guys, for this project we'll need a little ceramic truck. I got it at Target in the area between $1 to $5, I think. Then I have those decorated pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, a little bouquet that I used prior. Those are all leftovers. And of course I will be using Beverly chalk paint in a color plaster and in a color of hazelnut, along with my acrylic painting and my handy dandy new mini Share Bonder glue gun. So this is what we're gonna do, and I want to paint it to a different color. I really didn't care for that green color, so what I will be using a little tape to cover the wheels because I don't want the wheels to be painted different color. So you will see how it all turns out, and then I will go and touch up everything with just a black acrylic paint. I decided to paint my pumpkins as well. I want them in a plaster color and a little bit of my hazelnut color on top of it. Okay, well, my pumpkins are drying and the truck is still drying, the black paint. I'm gonna use the dry brush method because I want to kind of give the truck a little old style look, rustic. So I'll use my Beverly chalk paint, and it is, what is it called? Hazelnut. Okay, for this project, I will be repurpose this wreath, and it is, I used it for my summer coastal, but I kind of wanted something different, so I took it apart. I'll be using this as a frame. And what I will be using for the insides or around it is some of it is from Dollar Tree, and it's called the bouquet. And it looks like this. So they had a bunch of them at the beginning of fall. And also Michael's had, when they had the 85 to 80% off, they had this things. So I picked up a few, and it's just say cotton on it. So I don't know how many of this I'll be using, but I'm kind of want to make a cotton wreath for fall Thanksgiving theme, using this Dollar Tree pumpkins as a decoration. And make it more like a farm style wreath, and I'm planning to attach a bow as well, which would be a ribbon from the Dollar Tree. Okay guys, for this project I'll be using a kitchen towel from a Dollar Tree. So it looks like this. And then I'll be using this. It is an iron-on sticker, but I will not be treated as an iron-on. So I got this little cute little truck, and the word is love. So I'm gonna use that as well. So, and to stuff my pillow, I'll be using this stuffing from a regular, one of the cheapest pillows at the Walmart. I'm buying those, and one pillow less. I'm still using one pillow. So anyway, it's gonna be a really cute and really easy fall Thanksgiving decoration. So with this towel, I want to make a pillow smaller, so I'll be using this outlines kind of as my mark. This is exactly the way I want it, so I'm gonna cut the towel all the way on this side through this. So then when that's done, to glue it together, I'll be using my Share Bonder fabric sticks. Have never used them before. This is the first time, and it is a gift from the Share Bonder, and my mini Share Bonder glue gun was a fine point. So I'll be using this for this project. Okay, I use my iron to straighten the towel so it doesn't look that wrinkly, because it's gonna be a decorative pillow. And as you've seen, I measured it, so it's about an inch, a little bit less on each side. I left it, and that's where I will be applying my fabric glue. So it is inside out, so I'll do it this way, and then I'll leave a little area, probably right here, where I can turn around and then stuff the pillow.